Sneeze button.
Okay, no sneeze button. Watch. Hands free. No need to sneeze right now. Okay.
Okay, no need to.
Watch. Bridge your nose. And he's like,
Sneeze button, right? Damn, dude. Sneeze button and everything. Okay.
Watch. Clear again. No need to sneeze.
No fucking need to sneeze.
Finger, index finger. Push your nose.
What? That is your sneeze button right there, guys.
Right here.
Right there.
That is your sneeze button.
I'm gonna back up before I get sneezed on.
Watch again. No need to sneeze. Watch this. Look at this. Nothing. Watch this. Index finger. Bridge your nose. Push it. Put it in. Wait a second.
Why is that a sneeze button?
I don't know.
I don't understand
it's
it.
Crazy. I do not understand it.
Sneeze
but it works
button.
every time. Sneeze button. Sneeze button. Trademarked. Dibs.
Ready? Do it again.
Oh, do it again. Okay. No need to sneeze. Watch this. Index finger. Bridge to the nose. Push it in. Push it in. Push it in. Oh, push it in again.
One time it doesn't work. Try it again.
Yeah. I think I might have sneezed too much. Hands free. Push the bridge to the nose.
He's been sneezing for about 35 minutes, so I think he's almost out of sneezes.
It's ridiculous. A sneeze button.
You can see how red his nose is.
Push the bridge of your nose. It's ridiculous. That's it. Tons. Do it. It's funny as shit.
Try it, guys.